Welcome to the SBIL Student Portal. In this video, we will show you how to easily navigate your portal step by step. Let's get started. First, visit our website and complete the simple online registration form with your accurate details. Once your registration is complete, head over to the ID card section. Here, you can download your official SBIL student ID card with just a single click. Keep it safe with you. Now, let's set up your personal student portal. Create a secure user ID and password. Once generated, use these credentials to log in and access your personalized dashboard. Welcome to your digital classroom hub. On this dashboard, you can track your entire academic journey in real time, monitor your course progress, check your daily attendance, download your assignments, and view your quiz results instantly. Managing your fees is now simpler than ever. Go to the payment section to generate your official fee voucher. Note down the voucher number, open your JazzCash app, and make a secure payment instantly. And that's it. You are all set to experience the future of learning at SBIL. If you have any questions, our support team is always here to help.